Welcome, here I've got REALME 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermarks at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the watermarks option, so let's pick it. And now we can add 2 watermarks to our picture and video by tapping on these buttons from the right. We can turn them on and off as we need. We can add just one of this or both at the same time. And also when we tap, for example, on phone model, we get access to more advanced options. Here we can add the custom watermark. When we pick it, we can write here whatever we need, for example, hard reset. And we can also decide to add this only to photos or to the videos or both. So this is how to use this also. By tapping on these buttons from the right we can turn them on and off. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to this view and pick the date and time. Here as you can see we can also decide to use this only on videos or only to photos or both. Now let me keep turned on all of these watermarks with the custom one with hard reset, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see them at their real photo. To see the photo let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is it. The watermarks appear here at the bottom, so let's get closer to them. As you can see we have the REALME watermark, so the device one, shot by hard reset, the custom one, and in the second line the date and time. And of course when we don't need them or need just one of this, we have to go back to the camera, then tap to the right corner once again to the watermarks and pick here or here whatever we need. Of course we can turn them off, so for now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.